back. In this video, I will show you how to delete your account on Charles Schwab. If the delete option is not visible in your account settings, don't worry. There is a straightforward way to request account closure through the site support chat. To begin, open the Charles Schwab website and click the chat button at the top of the page. The live chat is the recommended way to contact customer support for account closure request. When the chat window opens, you will be prompted to enter your first name, last name, and email address, plus a subject line. Fill in those fields and start the chat. In the chat, clearly state that you want to delete your account and provide the email address associated with the account. The support representative will guide you through any verification steps and confirm when the account has been scheduled for deletion. If they request additional information, supply it so the process can move forward quickly. That's all there is to it. Using the live chat is usually the fastest and most reliable method if the site doesn't expose a direct delete account button.